Alright, people. What's up? The video is not working. Why is the video not working? What the hell is this? What the hell? Configure video? Nope. Alright. I'm the mystery trader today by the looks of it. It's the new look we're going for. What the fuck? Oh, if I close OBS, it's gonna deactivate. Activate. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Amazing. Let me just fix this. What do we need to do here? We're too low down, I think. We need to be more. Oh shit. So what happens when you mess around with the camera? Is that better? I think that's better. There we go. All right. Let me just make sure it works even on here as well. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Could be up a little bit, but we'll get over it. We will get over it. Yeah, welcome back, people. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Beach Life. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Feels like we never even left. Feels like we never even left. We got the I was about to say morning smoothie, but it's certainly not morning here. Good afternoon, man. All right, let me just get Zoom set up here. Goldie with the drop this morning. Goldie with a very, very nice drop this morning. Bouncing around these highs. Hovering. Lovely, lovely, lovely push down. Do you live alone now? I live with my partner. I live with my girlfriend. Need help with your camera. What the hell? How did Windows know that? Select this notification to start. What the hell? That's crazy. Damn computer's listening to me. Aircon on. Right, let me just get Zoom set up here, guys, and we'll start jumping in, start breaking down Goldie for the week. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Refreshed. Ready for another amazing week. Had an amazing week in the markets on gold last week. And this week, we'll look to have an even better one. All right, Zoom link is in. Zoom link is in. You guys on YouTube, what did everyone get up to on the weekend? What do you guys typically do as traders on the weekend? You guys take some time off the charts? Do you guys look at the charts on the weekend? Or do you like to detach? You guys do like Sunday market analysis? Hunting, nice. We got a smoothie. We got aircon's making really weird noises. We got banana, strawberries, acai, and a scoop of protein. Listen to your YouTube shorts. Good man, good man. That's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. Do analysis and mark important levels. Nice. Very nice. Similar to me. We'll get Zoom set up in a second. You guys on YouTube, remember, drop a little like for the stream. I'm sure you guys are going to take lots of value from today. We'll do a little bit of a weekly outlook, review what we got coming up for the week, and plan out some levels. All right, I'm gonna let the guys in on Zoom here. We'll get started here. Happy rainy afternoon, brother. Back after a while. Happy afternoon to you too, man. Yeah, very rainy here as well, actually. It's like in Australia, I think the past week, the weather's just completely changed. It's gone from being roasting hot to all of a sudden actually jumper weather. It's crazy. It just changed out of nowhere. Good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. Hey Tom, what's going on? Alright, let me put the chat over here. Oh, wait, man, I can't hear you guys. Wait there. There you go. I can hear you now. Hey, Matt.
Hey.
What's going on?
Just looking at Porsches and golf clubs.
Nice. Very nice. Hey fam, hey, what's going on? Let everyone join in here. Everyone's joining today. Monday morning grind. We got a lot of bank holidays this week actually. Bank holidays pretty much everywhere. One thing we'll get this over and done with. Yes, England did lose 1-0, but we're here to trade the markets and have a good week, and we don't need any negativity today, so let's not even mention it.
I wasn't going to say anything.
Positive vibes today. We don't want to talk about England because it's just it's a psychology game they were playing. We'll mess with everyone's head. Let one team get a 1-up as soon as the Euro starts. So don't let it fool you.
Like a team like Brazil, give them
It's all part of the plan. Don't you worry.
Okay.
You leave us to it.
Yeah, as long as it's part of the plan, I'll believe it.
Morning. Oh, good evening. Hey, Brian, Alan, what's going on? Mentioned the manager needs to go. Yeah, we can actually. That's very true. He has had his time.
I just don't know how they can lose to that team, to be fair, because that team is world class.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's what's crazy, yeah. I mean, Kane wasn't playing, but yeah, the team is that good that it's fuck, he should be smashing it. The team's so overrated, it's crazy. One of the best teams we've had in years.
Not an English national place.
Yeah, you watch now, Australia will be winning in football.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I just spoke to them now.
Is everyone here?
You watch the holiday football compared to the championship. You just need to figure it out.
Recording in progress.
Alright, cool. I think everyone's in. Good day, our new to channel. What's good on, man? Just wondering your opinion on the DAX. We'll have a look. Alright. Let's start. Good afternoon. Start breaking down gold here. We'll do a little bit of top down. You guys on Discord probably already watched the weekly market call, but that's all right. We'll break it down again. We'll just because Asia's had some pretty big movement today. Asia and pre-London has had some nice move actually. Back in the UK. Oh, Russia back in the UK. Man, gutted, man. Brother. Yeah, too fair. It's absolutely pouring down here. It's the weather here's got cold out of nowhere. It's actually pretty cold. Oh, not cold, but it's jumper weather. All right, let's do it. Nick joining. Right, we're starting a 30 in Sydney. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm not sure what it is here, but so obviously last week on Goldie we saw this amazing wick out weekly lows and then completely ripped this double top here, respecting 2,200 and having a big rejection. You still did close bullish, so the buyers did still push this high to end the week, but this is an amazing rejection on gold. We've grabbed all necessary highs, and we've also grabbed the lows. The thing I kind of like the most on gold is we haven't really this is kind of the first time, the past 2 weeks, the first time we've actually finally started to find some resistance after this amazing push up here into all-time highs. 2150 is a very, very strong level. It's also that previous all-time high. It's going to be it's not going to be an easy break of that level. So I think if we come back down to it, I wouldn't be opposed to buying it just for a little bounce back up. I do think if we're going to break that, it's going to take quite a few times before we can actually break it. So don't look for it to break and just jump in short straight away. Understand that it's that strong of a level that you're going to play around it for quite some time. So I am overall liking gold this week to come down and retrace some of this big move up here. I'm not saying you're going to come all the way back down to 260, but maybe even to come down to these areas here, come and grab this little wick here, retest these little highs, would still be an amazing move. So last week we saw gold on the daily close with this beautiful evening star formation. You had this resistance, we wicked out all daily highs, closed doji, and then Friday actually closed back bearish, pretty much below this area here. You can kind of see today has already come back up, retesting it, looking like you're about to flip bearish on the daily and start to have this drive back down. So yeah, nice bearish outlook for the week so far. If we don't drive today, like I was saying in the market call, we do have the possibility of gold potentially coming back up into these areas, creating this big left shoulder. This is the big head, come back up for that right shoulder, grab some of these highs before then seeing that big push back down. But if we're going to see that, I would expect you're probably going to need to find the support here to be able to have that move back to the upside. You kind of, Friday tapped into it, had that initial bounce, which is very nice. Just any bounce off this huge level is going to give you a decent reaction. But I'm pretty much overall this week looking for something like this. This is going to be my ideal weekly outlook. And shorts down into this area, re-grab these lows is 100 ticks. Anywhere from this region to bounce back up into these highs is 300. So it's even if gold ranges this week and creates a doji candle, you're still going to get some amazing moves. And then maybe into next week you might see that potential retracement. Either way, there's some very, very big ranges here on gold today, and I'm liking the look of the volume. You can already see pre-London you're starting to have some nice volume. We take a look at the lower time frame chart here. This is on the 30. Let's have a quick look at the hourly. See what Asia's kind of done so far this morning. So these were the shorts we talked about on Friday. For price to come up and grab these highs, and anywhere above there is an area where you'd be looking for them shorts. And pretty much exactly what we did. You came up, you grabbed all of this resistance, and then ended up having that beautiful 200 tick push back down. 1, 2, third drive into lows. We spoke about that as well. So lovely push down on Friday intraday. Today on gold, I took some very early on shorts here. Took 20 ticks in these shorts, and then price completely retraced back up, hit that trend line. Didn't really manipulate the second touch, but you kind of did reject it, wick out the highs, and start to close back below. So could you come back to these highs? Maybe. It's possible. I am quite surprised he didn't get grabbed before this push down, but I would be watching for price to potentially come down more. If you're going to see these highs grabbed, I do think you're going to see a little bit more downside here first. I was actually watching as well. You're kind of creating this left shoulder. This is the head, and all of this region could be a right shoulder to start to have that push back up into these highs. Anyone who's short here stops are probably above that high. So now it's just trying to understand an area of where we could tap into to be able to find enough buyers who want to step in and take gold back up into here. It doesn't look like it's going to happen just yet. You kind of had a pretty strong bearish candle. Let me just change I just realized my clock's on Brisbane. Let me just change my where are we? Where's London? Yeah, you've had this pretty strong bearish 6 a.m. close on gold, breaking below this little support here. If you were looking to buy off this support, as soon as that breaks, that's your exit point right there. So for now, it looks like you're going to continue pushing down. Overall, I am watching this area here because I believe anyone who was buying gold here, you know, stops around this low. You never really grab these lows before this push up. So anyone who is, you know, maybe still holding longs or they've got their stops at break even, I would imagine there's a lot of orders sitting below this low here. So for gold to continue selling off, you know, are we going to do this and then do this? Possible. Very, very possible. You can kind of see here on the hourly, what did you not do before this push up? You never re-grabbed the lows. So this would also be a level that you may look to come and target if we do start breaking below this little intraday support here, which is here. You start closing back below here. That's that strong resistance to the left, previous support that's been reacted and respected in Asia as well. So if we do start closing back below there, you know, shorts down into this low, could be nice. So potential highs to also come and grab. I'll get rid of this. Given that, you know, this is a support that if we do break, it would be nice to sell. Given that it is a strong support, does that mean we just ignore the fact that we could start to have a bounce back higher into these areas? Absolutely not. It's a strong level of support. Anyone who's in their shorts, that's where you want to be taking your profit. So as we, you know, start to bounce around this level, we'll probably wait for the first 15-minute close here, and then we'll start to drop down and see what else we can paint. But these are kind of my overall levels I'm going to be watching today. These highs up here and this low down here. I think overall these lows down here are going to give some very, very nice trades this week. Very, very nice trades. Let's have a look at this 30. These were the shorts I took today, just if anyone is interested. After the 15 grabbed the highs as it was respecting this resistance, and it was also this hourly level. Took the shorts. Targets was the daily open, daily bottom wick. Had no bottom wick on the 4-hour, daily or weekly, so it was like 3 reasons to take these sells. Took it for like 20, 21-ish, and then that was my Asia play. And then gold ended up absolutely ripping back higher after grabbing the lows. Look at that. That was a beautiful grab. 3 equal lows. Wicks all the lows, closes back above this little level. Amazing push. Was there no bottom wick on that? Holy shit, no, there wasn't. Don't know if you would be able to catch that. There's no bottom wick on that, but yeah, it ended up after grabbing these lows, just 120 ticks. Absolutely insane.
There's no wick. I was waiting for it, and it just went.
Yeah, it's crazy. On the 15, yeah, even on the 15, yeah, no bottom wick is crazy. That's a big push.
And I have 38 ticks in a few seconds.
Yeah, look at that 5. Look at that. That 1 5-minute, 60 ticks in Asia. That's crazy. Tap my TP and didn't take me out. Mark, welcome to FX. Welcome back to FX, man. That's literally as fucking FX for you. You have just re-grabbed. You again, like you did here. You had this kind of you had this 3 equal lows. You kind of have had 3 equal lows here. Grabbed it and instantly bouncing off this hourly support. You know, to see gold come back up and retrace into these hourly highs is like a 60-tick retracement. Even to come back up into these areas is also 30. So I'm going to be watching this closely in about 5 minutes. See how this 15 closes. If we do hold this support, it is a nice area to start looking, see if we can get some sort of retracement. And then we'll start dropping down to the 5 and see if there's some entries. Is there any reason for it to come a little bit lower? No, 30. Grabbing the lows, rejected once, re-grabbing the lows, starting to close above. This is why you never, you know, if you see gold reject the level of support, don't just buy gold. Because gold's never just going to reject off of support once and push higher. You reject, you re-grab the lows, and once you do re-grab the lows and close above the bottom wick, amazing. Then you can be looking for the longs. Gold is not one to try and catch the top or bottom. It doesn't reject once and just push. Same as the highs. It doesn't reject once and just push. Re-grabs the highs, re-grabs them again. Asia liquidity, big push down. So if we do start holding above this support, potential for gold to have a little retracement to start this London morning. That sell off this morning was very, very nice. Very, very nice. Good job to you guys who did get the sells. It's a very nice 15-minute evening star, 5-minute liquidity grab. Such a clean push. Such a clean push. 51% people long, 49% people short. They saying there is a big gold rush in China. Oh, really? Nice, nice, nice. Wait 3 more minutes till this. The first. I want to get at least the first 15 close here. It's only Monday morning. Get at least the first 15 close of this session. Oil. How did oil close on the weekly? What big rejections on oil? Big rejections on oil. Howard, go on. You looking for some oil trades? Major trend line may come down, back down. Oil to $80. Retouch this trend line. Not financial advice, just an outlook.
I've looked at trade oil again, but I don't know, it's changed.
Yeah, I'd swing trade it. I wouldn't day trade it.
It's not me, it's oil.
Yeah, that was them shorts were nice today. You guys probably got the better short actually. The shorts at what 5:45 London time. See, it's worth getting up that early.
Yeah, I was on. I actually sold into this as well, like a double retest and a momentum.
Nice.
Like, in hindsight, I feel I held a bigger position longer, but at the same time, I don't know, it's just.
Oh, that's ridiculous. That's bad. How many pips spread do you have on that mark? That's pretty bad. That's crazy. That's FX for you, man. Two pips. Yeah. What's mine? If I look on Blueberry, Blueberry right now, 1.9. Yeah, 2. Yeah. That's quite high for Blueberry. Look at FTMO. What's FTMO?
I noticed that with
1.
Blueberry as well.
FTMO is 0.8. FTMO is very low right now. What projects I can avoid? Yeah, that's fucking crazy, man. That's such bullshit. That's literally why we don't fucking trade FX anymore. That's so crazy, man.
Who's he with?
Alpha Capital.
Is that the one that Americans with? Alright, yeah.
We're gonna get a nice 15 close here, I think, on gold. Let's see. Let's see how this 15 is gonna close here. Close them back above, nicely above this level here. Back above this area. If you get an instant bottom wick here, you may have some. Where's your bias going to be? You got to be careful of this level because this is big hourly resistance here. Here, let me have a look here. Hourly, yeah. This is a big area to be careful of. So if it's going to be worth it, sure. What do you have back up into there? Yeah, 20. It's not bad. Let's see. 5-minute instant bottom wick here on Goldie. Instant bottom wick on this 5 and 15. What do you have? 17 into the high. What would you be looking at? You had a buy if it breaks. I wouldn't want it to flip just yet because this is the 15 as well. You don't want to flip within the first like 5 minutes of the 15 because that could be a top weight to go bearish. When it grabs highs, do you wait for high time frame close? When do you wait for a low time frame? It depends on the range, really. Like for me here now, I need a 15 breakout and a 5-minute entry. So 15's closed above, 5-minute entry. How's it going? He's back. He's back. He's back on the stream.
Would be nice, though.
Do you hold oil positions over the weekend? No, I don't. I personally don't trade oil anymore. But when I did trade oil, yeah, I'd hold oil over the weekend. Yep. I don't trade it much anymore.
It moves so nice.
Sorry.
It did move so nice.
Yeah, it used to. Yeah, oil used to move amazing. I used to love trading oil.
No, it's just
So you can see this 5 flip on gold here. You may have a buy and just risk off this low. You got to be careful of this area right here, though. You know, it is a pretty tight range. That's my only concern. You will have to manage pretty aggressively, like here, which is going to be, yeah, 10 ticks is quite aggressive. You want to see? I mean, I'm ideally trying to see it come up here. It's just if it's going to flip this early on after a pretty solid push down, probably not. But let's see. If it doesn't flip, that's fine. We'll wait. Okay, we've had some amazing swings on oil before. Amazing swings.
I started to get back into it, but no, it's just
I think.
I don't know. It's just having 2 liquidity grabs and it's just waking me up. And I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, you got. I think the 4 hours is probably the best to trade oil if you're gonna swing trade it. I think it's the only real clear time frame. 5 minute on oil, it's just that doesn't make any sense. I don't like trading oil. I don't know anyone who day trades oil. So it was 50-50 on golf. Oh, nice. Golf. Analyzing golf this morning.
Yeah, there's no golf this morning. No.
How long we got? 2 more minutes. This 5's gonna close. I went to the driving range today. Smashed a few.
How was the new club?
Oh, I don't like them. I prefer my other ones, to be honest. My other ones are way nicer than my Nike ones.
Is do you know if it's a stiff shaft or a regular shaft?
I do not. No.
Okay.
Is there a way to check?
Yeah, they should say on there.
I'll have a look, man.
Yeah, send photos
Yeah.
later on.
Sweet, man. It just feels really heavy compared to my other one. It's supposed the guy said it was a forgiven one, but it just feels really heavy. I'm just not really a huge fan of it. My other one just feels smoother.
Is it? It's probably quite thick, is it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's what it feels. Yeah. Let's see, 40 seconds here. There's 5 closes. If you do take this, I would only go half risk because the range is very small. I don't think it makes sense to go full risk just yet. I think I'd probably go full risk maybe off the 30 close. Wait, you got... I'm not tagged in there. You got 20 seconds. You may as well just wait for the 5 to close. I just cancelled that order. I had my order at 67.9, but I've just cancelled it because this 5's going to close in 7 seconds. If it's not going to flip now, the next 5's still going to come down first, so you may as well wait for that. I just cancelled that order. I would have wanted this 5 to do this, and I actually have this push. I'm not in this. I cancelled the order right at the last minute, just in case it grabs these highs, tags you in, and then starts to push down. You may as well wait for the 5 to give the bottom wick. Same type of grip? Yeah, same type of grip, I think, man. Yeah, I think so. Played it. No, I haven't, Ian. I haven't. No, I'll have a look. Let's have a look. Brookwater Golf Course. What is this? Oh, looks nice. Oh, yeah, no, it looks nice. I haven't, man. I haven't. Missed my laptop. How long you got left, man? How long are you still there for? Should have got a laptop with you just so you could get the Instagram pics. Get the charts up. Get the Dubai background in there. Oh man.
Influencer.
Buy me a golf mentor. Hey, a golf Trading retreat? Sounds good to me. When we can even play in Bali. If anyone wants to play in Bali, don't tell Alad. We can play.
See this. Yeah, of course you can, Mark. Really available. I actually played yesterday, to be fair. It wasn't that bad.
I get emails when you play now when you notice score.
Oh, on the 1830s app.
Yeah, I had an email saying Alad's just what is it? Noted around at some course. I hadn't downloaded it yet, but I joined and I started getting emails.
You'll get a few of those.
I cracked 100. This is the reason I cancelled that order here, because if this 5 pushes up first, then this could be the top leg of the 15 to push down. If you're going to see it drive, you want it to drive off this candle. If this candle doesn't drive, you could easily do what we're doing now. You grab these highs and just close bearish. No, I'm not in. I'm not in, man. I cancel the order. Cancel the order, man. I wanted this 5 to have the volume and start to push. As soon as this 5 doesn't drive, I cancel straight away. So I had my order in here at 67.9. See that 5 minute on the futures didn't give a top wick, so it doesn't tag you in. You cancel it straight away. Dude, miss forex. Yeah, that's horrible, man. How many pips did it hit your TP by? Like 2 or something? What, 2 or 3?
That's mad.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's forex, man.
That's not funny though.
No, it's not. Yeah, about that. Yeah, it's crazy. 100 tick TP. Damn, must be nice. Is this 5 minute? Let me get rid of this. Let's have a look. Could this 30 still come lower? Maybe, but this 30 could also close doji. And then we could come down to here and then push up and give us that, like something like this. This 30 closed doji, next 30 bottom wick, and then amazing you have to drive. This is the retest, this is the liquidity grab, there's your entry. So we could, we could still get that. So as long as this 30 doesn't close like aggressively bearish. Oh, sorry, you can't see my chart, sorry. Apologies, I always forget to click back. Yeah, no, I was just saying, we could be playing something like this. Here. Whereas if this 30 doesn't actually, close aggressively bullish, the next 30 still gives you the bottom wick, and then it has the drive, like this. Retest, liquidity grab, entry. Then morning stars. They're the ones you want. Whereabouts, Mark? Oh, there you go. There's that 5 pushing now. Let me have a look. Let me go back to the 5 here. Is that 5? Ah, oh, motherfucker. 5 just re-grabbed the lows, re-breaking the highs. You actually did just grab the lows there, now re-breaking the highs. Could have been in there. Should have kept watching the 5. That's the liquidity grab. So if you grab the lows and then start re-breaking your own high, then you can start to get the push. That's a nice little 5 grab there. How steep is this 5 going to give you? The only thing is you're halfway through the middle of the range now. That's the only thing if you start taking on this one. I mean, you could. You just have to you have to manage very aggressive if you take this one. I mean, our target is here, but this is going to be a big barrier. A very big barrier. I don't know if I'm going to put this in just yet. If the range was bigger, I would put this in because the 5 minutes just grabbed the lows, close back bullish into an instant bottom wick. There's a little half risk if you really do want to take it just to get a feel for it. It's not a bad idea, but I don't like it. The reason I don't like it is just because the break-even point was here. When you take it from down here, that's minimum 10, which is good. You take it now, it's like minimum 6. We're not here for 6 fucking pips. We're not here for 6 pip-roonies. We're going to get this 30 close soon. 30 close in 3 minutes. Let's have a look at ages away from view up. Let's have a look at 15. 15. Yeah, previous 15 was nice. 30. Yeah, 30 is still going to close. Did you just grab previous 30 highs? No, you didn't. Did you? Nah, you didn't, which is quite nice. You got a little 30 double top there now. So any bottom wick on the next 30, you know, buys up into there. Is a pretty nice target as well. Here. Let's have a look. Hourly. Also a little bit doji. 15. There we go, 5. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll ideally see this 30. You know, still close a little bit bullish, and then a bottom wick, and then amazing. Pretty much identical as this.
Okay, like something today again. The cards.
I think it's going to be a good week on gold. I think it's going to be a good week.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, we've all started off with W's already.
Yeah.
W's to start the week. You doing any US sessions this week, man?
Yes, tomorrow.
Nice.
I was actually looking at it. We'll do 100% tomorrow.
Yep. Good man.
Do Thursday. Maybe Friday.
Yeah. Nice. Good man. That's So we just got home. All good, Anthony. All good, man. Well, what have we got? When's the bank holidays? We got no news today.
Friday.
Tomorrow.
Oh shit, Friday.
Yeah. So that's what I mean. Friday maybe we'll have to assess. Take it as it comes. Wednesday and Thursday going to be big days. And then you got.
Next Monday is Easter Monday.
Oh fuck yeah, it is. Wow, look at all that. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Oh my god, look at them bank holidays.
that'd be a short week.
Too many people are taking holidays. You guys need to stop taking so many holidays. When you used to work an office job, you used to love them bank holidays. Now we're like, the fuck, bank holiday? What do you need a bank holiday for? You got the weekend.
Canada has 14 bank holidays.
14? Yeah, that's crazy. God,
Yeah,
that's
14.
fucking crazy. What do you need that many holidays for?
I know.
That's crazy.
I'm like, holy cow.
It doesn't sound like my boss. I need those holidays. Nah, to be fair, I used to need them as well. It's just something more than enough. Man, when you used to work like 9 to 5, it's like, man, I swear Sunday just basically feels like fucking preparing for Monday. It's like you almost have like one actual weekend day. And it's like Sunday, it's like, oh great, fucking work tomorrow. You're like, fuck, I used to hate Sundays. Sundays and Mondays were the worst.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So 15. So 30 has just closed bullish, as we've expected. After grabbing the highs, holding above this support, with a pretty decent level of resistance above. I'd say like around here is going to be a target area. Actually, wait, no. It's kind of hard to draw. Maybe here. Every time you close below, straight back above, below, retest, back below, wick. fake out. Yeah, that's probably around there. Change my that's crazy. This is a pretty decent bottom wick here as well. We can start to see this 15 reflip bullish. It actually could have a nice trade here. Especially if you also grab the lows. You're currently grabbing previous 15 as well. I will only take sells on gold today if we break here. If we do break here, I actually would prefer sells, because if I take sells, I got a much nicer downside target. So don't worry if it pushes down, because if we push down, fine, break below here, we'll go short, and I give a shit. That'll be a much nicer short. But as it stands right now, with the way that 30's closed, we have to react to that. Hourly, yeah. If the hourly breaks this, short, absolutely, all the way down to here. That'd be a pretty easy target. But we're only halfway through that hourly, so we won't overanalyze the hourly too much, because we know what gold can do. If you re-break this low here, yeah, you're gonna push down. If we're gonna see buys, we need to see this low respected. If we break this low, we'll ignore longs and we'll go short. We're not gonna take any retest entries here because you've already had this big push down. I will just take a buy if it flips bullish. I'm not looking for any retest entries here. I'll take a fucking retest entry on a Monday morning. It's not how I like to start my Monday.
Is that a double bottom?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. I took two, saw the charts just to glance. I was like, well, things. Yeah, it's true, man. It's good to take that break off the charts, though, man. It gives you like a fresh set of eyes. Eyes. So you come back clearer. A fresh set of ice.
Margaritas. Way too many margaritas there, boy.
This buy on the futures chart will be around 67.8. If we can see this flip bullish, 67.8. Around here, I think it's good. That. Look at this 5. Yeah, that's a steep 5. What would you be risking? 20. It's quite large. It'd be pretty hard to manage before that as well. Is that 5 going to flip? Let's see how the 5 closes. What time frame would you need to see a candle close below support? The 30. The 30. 30 is respecting it. I need a 30 closure below. It's such a strong 30 level that, yeah, minimum 30 closure below. As soon as you get a 30 closure below, amazing. 25 seconds to this, 5 minutes going to close here. It's a solid rejection. It's not pushing just yet though. 16 seconds. What advice could you give someone who's impatient by nature? You just got to understand, man. You only need a few trades a week. You need like 2 to 3 trades a week to be, if that, to be living a good trading life. And you need to know when, like, if you try and trade this, you'll blow up mentally before you miss this. So, oh, there you go. That 5 just closed. So 5 just closed with a pretty decent bullish candle. If we can see this 5 flip bullish, you may have a nice drive. I don't like the fact that we are rejecting and not, like, why are we not pushing? Why are we having these big rejections but not actually having the drive? I don't know if I like this. I like this, but I just don't like this range. But yeah, if you're naturally, like, I'm a pretty impatient person, I'd say, but I just understand, like, one good trade a week can also be enough for me. I mean, I take way more than that, but one good trade 2 times a week is literally all you need. Trading is all about patience, and being patient in trading is also, like, you know, sitting here not taking trade is also trading. That's also part of trading. But yeah, big rejections. Yeah, big rejections. Oh, there you go. There's that 5 flipping. Holy. Look at that 5 flip. Did anyone get that 5 flip?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Good job.
Yeah, I got it.
Good man. Well, a lot of you
Did
guys got
say
it.
break even soon enough?
Yeah, I'll go break even now. Yeah, because you're coming right into that resistance. You're hitting like an instant 12 ticks and break even straight away. Oh, yep, yeah. A lot of you guys got it. Yeah, good job. Yeah, yeah. Loads of you guys got it. Well done. Yeah, break even, because this is that. Although I would love to see this break, this is that 30 resistance grab and previous 30 highs. If we can break above this, you know, amazing. We're going to hold this all the way up into here. But as soon as you do start tapping into this area, yeah, risk off the table. My entry is around 67.7 on the futures chart. 67.7. I only got one contract on the top step X because it's all I can trade. Well, I can trade 2, but I don't trade 2. Up like 130. So up like 13 ticks on this. Yes, sir. Yeah, nice. Even yeah, good job, Alan. Waited all day for that, baby. Yeah, good job, Anthony. So wait, yeah. Hey, Trent, 0.6 is 0.6, man. It's only hit. What did you hit? You only hit 13 ticks. For me, it's not really worth securing any at 13 ticks, but it's definitely worth going to break even. My take profit is like back around these areas, like probably like around 71 on the futures. 71-ish on the futures. I'm just hoping we can survive this next 5-minute bottom wick. My stop loss is at 67.8, so it's like just 1 tick in profit just to cover fees. But yeah, my target is like here, around here, back at these levels. Let me have a look. Yeah, it's a strong hourly level. Well, the hourly resistance is actually more like here. You're up like 16 ticks. If you guys, I'm only in this one contract because this is on the Top Step X. This is my Express account. I'm only in this one. If you're in this more than one, I would close 50% right there, personally. You're up like 17 ticks. If I was in this more than one, I would lock some in there. You're getting a pretty decent push now. I'm pretty gutted. I'm only in this one. I didn't get it on my trader bait. I'm only in this here. If I had taken here, I'd been like 5. I'm up 150 on this. Yeah, 15 ticks. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna keep my my stop loss still at break even. Like I say, if you are in this more than one though, close 50%. I'm not, so. Do you take partials? I can't because I'm only in one contract, so I can't take partials. All I can start to do is start to trail my stop once we get the bottom wick on the next 5. But if I was in this on this account, yeah, I'd be closing like 50%. 18 up 180, 190. So you're almost up like 20 ticks on this. Aaron never secured anything below 100. Let's see. There you go. I just closed full there. I just hit like yeah. I just closed full at 17 ticks. I'm out. Yeah, nice. I'm out. I just locked in. I just locked in 17 there. Where are we at here? 19. I locked in. I locked in 19. Yeah. My exit was at 2171. If you want to trail below 5 lows once you break the highs, you can. But 17 ticks in that 1 5-minute push is good enough for me. It's the power of fucking volume, man. So yeah, I'm out. W got my $200. Yeah, amazing, amazing. Good job. Good job to you guys who did take it. Well done. Well done. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's get a round of applause for that one. Let me put this in the journal. Put that in the journal. Catch you in Discord. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. Enjoy dinner, man. What's the date today? 25. 25. That's it, man. That's it. This is why we stayed patient all last week because gold didn't have the volume. Now volume comes in, you just take the trade. There was like I'll break it down if anyone didn't catch it. There was like 5 confluences for that trade. What did I get? So my entry was at 69.2. My exit was 2171. So 19. I got like 19 ticks on that one, and straight back down. Look at that. It leaves me up like I had a pretty shaky start to the month. That now leaves me up like a 70% win rate for the month. We'll take it. Can anyone handle my demo? Yeah, I got it, man. Send me the details. Nice, good job, good job. I thought you guys got it, amazing.
How many ticks are you up now?
I am up 354.
Oh, that's childish. You've taken it away now.
But to be fair,
Every time for me now.
one trade was 160, and that was that overnight FOMC play. If it wasn't for that 160 trade, if I got rid of that, I'd be up 194. If.
Yeah, delete that. We don't.
Right for the month, yep. YouTube guys, get them W's in there. You guys on Zoom, get them W's in there. Amazing trade. Good way to start the week. You know, may have some more plays here as well. It's not even London Open yet. Right for the month, nice. Amazing. W, nice, look at that. I'll break it down as well. Anyone who doesn't understand it, I will recap it because, like I said, there was a lot of reasons for that trade. I was surprised that 15 actually gave us that steep of a bottom wick, but it was fucking fantastic. All right, let's see who got it. Nice. Win rate 45%, still up 70. Yeah, good job, Anthony. Yeah, that's good. 50% is amazing, man. Even that. I don't really. Not that I don't care about win rates. I do care about win rates, but it's not like. It's not something I'm like super focused on. I was saying this to Al over the weekend. It's like, it's good, but it's not super important. As long as you got your winners outweigh the losses, that's all that matters, man. I'm out. Great catch up, you guys. You too, man. Enjoy the rest of your trip. Hope you see you back on stream soon, man. All right, let me just get it here. All right, look at this. We just got the gold buys here. Have managed to catch this trade. Beautiful. We got like 19-ish ticks in this 1 5-minute push after grabbing all the lows, just playing this very little range. Everyone on stream got it. Beautiful. Hate to be that guy. It's my first trade in March. It's good, man. It's good. Nothing wrong with that, man. Imagine if you're trading 10 contracts, you'd have like what? $1,900 right there. This is why patience pays. You guys don't need to be taking loads of trades. You just need good quality trades with good setups. And this trade here honestly must have had about 4 different confluences for this play. So what we're gonna do is we haven't even got the London Open yet. You know, if this starts to re-break these lows and push down, like, man, you got plenty of areas to still come and target today. Look at that. Our entry and exit was perfect there. If I hadn't taken that on stream, everyone would have, oh, that's cap. You didn't get out at that point. But no cap here. I got 19 out of it. Yeah, who's calling cap? Get a version. Yeah, the Excel. Yeah, I can share it here, and then you can make a. You just need to make a copy of it, and delete all my crap. Delete all my crap, and yeah, just go file, make a copy. It's view only. But yeah, you just need to make a copy of it. Look at that! What an exit as well. That's why I would have loved to have held this longer. It was just because this level was so strong. We needed to tap into it before a push down, and even if we're gonna break it, even if gold's gonna break a level before pushing up, it's still gonna react off it first, and then probably react to it a few times before it eventually breaks. Just like this 4-hour support. It's like even if you think gold's gonna break this level, it's still gonna have an initial bounce off it a few times. It's never just gonna reject once and then just drop. So reacting off this level was very, very key. Look how precise that level was. It's amazing. And that level was just simply hourly resistance. Nothing crazy. Just hourly resistance. Hourly resistance, 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 support, support, fake out, support. You know, just reacting. Although I wanted this to push much higher so we could hold a bigger runner, it's a level where we have to manage our trade. And if we didn't, we'd be kicking ourselves right now because we've just been stopped at break even. So good entry, good management. All in all, pretty perfect trade. I'm just gonna run to the toilet and then I'll break it down for anyone who didn't catch it or doesn't understand it. We'll break it all down. I'll be 2 seconds. Called that resistance point perfectly. Yeah. It's very important. I was saying that before we even entered the trade that, you know, I was a little bit skeptical because that resistance was so strong. But with the way the 5 minute gave such big wicks, it was worth a punt at that point. You just have to be wary and manage it really aggressively. Reason for getting a small position. No, Barry, I'm on my Express account, so I can only trade 1 to 2 contracts, man. If I had it on my personal, I would have taken like 5. It's only because I'm on the Top Step account that I can only trade 1 to 2 until I get it over a certain amount. That was it, man. Yeah. But even you know, I said go half risk. I think it was worth a half risk. Yeah, just because that resistance was so close. Good morning. What time is the days do you broadcast live? Every single day, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. No, I don't trade Asia. Alan, let me see, man. You said not to enter a few times and decided to wait for the 30 to flip, which is clearly the right entry. Can you go over why you didn't enter before that? Yeah, of course, man. Well, let me just see. What are most people? Where is it? We got. See if I got like 190 on that. So, yeah, 51% people long, 49% people still short. So, still pretty 50-50 there. And you're still pushing higher actually. You got a little 5 minute double tops you can grab. 5 minute just closed strong there. Bottom wick, you wouldn't take it again. All right, let's have a look. So. I'll break it down. You know, let me just make sure we're on the right screen. Yeah, cool. So the main reasons for this trade is based off of this. Based off of this left shoulder head, right shoulder region, with some highs up here to come and grab because you have a trend line coming down like this. It never really grabbed any highs, so a very nice area to look for the buys. And the reason it was so nice after this 30 closed is because this 30 rejected support. And obviously, like we always know, gold is never just going to reject a support once and just push higher. It always needs to come down and re-grab the previous low before having the push. You reject resistance once, you re-grab the highs, you retest, and then you have the push. You reject the resistance once, twice, never re-grab the lows, grab the lows, and then you have the push. So the fact that you found the support, re-grabbed the lows and held above it. Pretty much at this point here, like I was saying, I'm looking to play this. This is exactly what I'm looking to play. The rejection, the liquidity grab, and then the retest. So it's a lovely morning start. The rejection, the liquidity grab, and all I'm pretty much looking for is the retest and then the break of the high. So as the 30 comes down, and the 30 actually created an instant bottom wick, and let's just skip it forward. The reason it was so nice is because the bottom wick of the 30 was also a grab of a previous 15-minute low, which as it was grabbing the 15-minute low, at that point I'm like, oh well, it's, you know, fucking wait, it's well worth it now, because that could still be grabbed. If you just retested a little bit and then pushed, you would kind of have like a little 15 double bottom, you know, like something like this, which I don't really like to see. I like to see it actually grab previous 15 and then start to re-break the highs. So that's when that 15, it did it in that 115, but you had that initial bottom wick with no top wick at all, not even a tiny little bit of a top wick. As soon as you start grabbing this previous 15-minute low and start to reject, drop down to the 5-minute, exactly the same thing. You look at here, this is the exact same setup as the 30. Initial rejection, liquidity grab, retest, entry. Like I just showed on the 30, exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing here as well. Look, here. And same thing to the highs here as well. Here. So, as this 5-minute wicked out, this previous 15 low grabbed all of this support and then wicked back above. This next candle then also gave an instant bottom wick, which you haven't seen in a while. So we had a liquidity grab, we had an instant bottom wick, so taking a break at the high, risking off the low, and then TP into there. So, and you also had this 30 double top here as well, which I was saying as well, which I kind of, before we did take this trade, as that 30 closed, I basically said, did the previous high grab the previous 30 high? And when we saw that it didn't, that also becomes a level of resistance where most people will try and short and put their stop loss just above this high. So that also becomes our liquidity level. And we also have a previous untested resistance around here as well. Like you can see here, once you broke through this level, you never quite came back to retest it. So people see this, jump in shorts, and then that is when you have the real move. And that's what we were taking advantage of. We were taking advantage of buying up into where most people were trying to sell. So that's pretty much it. There was nothing crazy overcomplicated, just understanding price action and just understanding higher time frame and executing on the 5-minute. This trade was based off the 30 and the 15, but executed and exited on the 5. So that's why that's pretty much how you guys need to be playing the 5-minute. I don't come on here and just watch the 5-minute. I have to watch the 30-minute close, the 15, and then execute off the 5. That's where the analysis is done. The 5 minutes purely just for execution. And then obviously exit point. I didn't know that I was going to close it right at the top, but I pretty much closed it at, like, right at the top. My exit on the futures was at 2171, which, wait, that's not right. Why does it say my exit price says it's 2171? That's not right. I didn't tap 2171. Huh? My futures here on Top Step X, I don't know why. It says my exit was at 2171.1. But it didn't come anywhere near 2.171, so I'm not sure what that's about. If anyone knows why. But yeah, my exit point was literally right at the top. How do I share my screen with you guys? You can see it. Let me take a screenshot of it. But you guys can see it here.
Very nice.
You guys on Zoom, quickly flick onto the YouTube stream and you can see it here. I don't know why it says my exit was there, but my exit wasn't at 171. It didn't tap 171. 171's much higher. But it was, yeah. I basically got out at pretty much like the top of the candle, because I actually did hit like 21 ticks and I meant to close there, but it then came back down. So I didn't know it was going to tap that level and just drop. It was just 21 ticks. It was at the resistance and I got out. That's pretty much it, man. Yeah, really appreciate it. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, of course, man. Of course, that's the thing. Even if you guys didn't get the trade for whatever reason, that's not the purpose of this. The purpose is so you guys can understand how you can then take them for yourself. That's the main takeaway here. So I break them down after. Because it's all about getting you guys to a point where you can execute these yourself. Let me change this to London. But yeah, I don't know why my Top Step X price says that was the exit, but yeah, I'll take it. I don't care. Are you traveling and trading, or are you staying in one place? I still travel, but I have more of a home base now. Yeah. I have a home base, but I still travel in between that.
A mansion.
A mansion on the hills. Oh my! I was wondering.
Travel down. You go with Lamborghini to your yacht.
Absolutely. Hey Aaron, isn't the express account apparently the same as the challenge? No. So you have to build up the account. Let me find it. Top step. Let me show you. So there's parameters you have to follow once you're actually funded. You've got to build up the account. Where is it? There's an image of it somewhere. Here. Let me show you. Here. So if your balance is below 1500, you start on 3, well 2 to 3, and then once you get it over, then you can start trading more. So you have to scale it up. So I could have traded like 2, but I don't like to trade 2. I like to trade just 1. You know, I'll enter in like a second position if it goes into drawdown and it's still like a valid trade. But I pretty much would just trade 1 until you build it up, because you know, you trade one lot. Balance below 1500 watts, you only need what, 150 ticks to eventually then be able to trade like 3. So it's like, well, I may as well just trade it consistently with 1 and then build it up.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you don't need to trying to rush it. The main thing with these prop firms account is just actually just keeping it. You know, I could have traded 2, but it's like it's very much point. I'll take the 1. You know, you get 20 ticks on a 1 contract. It's $200. $200 in 5 minutes. Can't complain.
You can out.
Can't complain. But you need I think it's 5 $200 green days to be able to get a payout. So I actually closed that trade at $190. So unfortunately, that won't count towards one of the 5 days. It did hit 210. That's why I tried to close it, because I was like, well, I'll take that. And then it actually did wick back down. I only managed to close at 190. Which is, yeah, it's a little bit annoying. No. Which is nice. That's what I did. That's what I did the first time when I had my first top step and lost it, because I was trying to hit like the $200 days and trying to hold trades too long. But it's like, well, they don't have to be consecutive. It's just 5 overall. So if you stack up a few $100, $150 days, you know, that's still great. You just need to get your 5 overall, and you just do it slowly. Whereas
you just got the account then, so?
Sorry, man.
You just gained the account then?
Yeah. So it's just like, yeah, it's not worth trying to. When I first got my first top step, and sure everyone else does, it's like you get your first top step, and it's like, fuck, I just want to get funded, and you know, because you have to trade smaller size, you end up holding your trades longer, and you start doing stupid shit that you wouldn't normally do. So that's how I kind of lost my one. Is I was just trying to hold my trades for too long, because I was trying to hit these like certain targets. Where it's like, now it's just like, if I hit 15, 20 ticks, I'll just take it, regardless of how much I may need to eventually get paid out. Just trade it the exact same way I did to get funded, and your life will be easier over time. You don't need to smash it out all in one go.
I'll have to try one of those accounts.
Yeah, it's good, man. I really like this Top Step X platform. I'm a big fan of it.
Yeah.
Cancel and wait for the bottom wick. Yes, I do, Simon. Yep, I do. So I had an original buy stop. Where was our original buy stop? Our first buy stop of the day was here. But yeah, once this 5 doesn't flip bullish here, you know, the next 5 could easily wick down, and then you may as well just take it off that candle. Otherwise, it could open, you know, tag you with maybe spreads or something, and then you go straight into drawdown. So it's like, you may as well close it if it doesn't look like it's going to flip. You know, even at like the last, I think I cancelled this order at like maybe the last 10 seconds of this 5 here. Because if it's not going to flip in 4 minutes and 50 seconds, it's probably not going to flip in the last 10 seconds. So I may as well just cut it and wait. You know, even after that big wick and that reflip and bullish, that again also would have been a great buy. You just would have taken the break even. blew my first one. Yeah, normal Ross. Me too, man. Me too. No shame in that, man. Absolutely. I don't know anyone who's ever got funded and traded the account for the first time and got a payout. It's very rare. You kind of need to go through like the psychological barriers of getting your first account, blowing it, to like actually realize what you do wrong. It's not so much the charts that kind of fucks it up. It's more so the psychology. We just had that. How's that hourly just closed? So hourly has just closed, respecting that resistance, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal hourly highs, and you've kind of grabbed previous hourly lows, and you're actually still holding this support. You have another potential buy if this hourly can flip back bullish again. Play with this range one more time, re-grab the highs again. Longs still aren't off the cards here. Do you have to have 200 and... Yeah, 200, yeah, 5 $200 days to get the payout. Yep. Exactly. Which is not, it's not many. Most people think it's annoying. I don't really mind. It's not too many. We'll get rid of this now. Everyone knows the trade. Everyone knows the banger. 5 minute here in the futures is grabbing previous little 5 minute double bottom, about to close bullish. 30 minute is looking messy, but the hourly is actually looking quite nice. You're almost creating this little hourly morning star, starting to reflip back bullish with a lot of equal hourly highs. And on the 5 minute, you never re-grab the highs before this current push down. So I will be watching this as a liquidity level now. Anyone who's probably short in gold, stops are probably going to go above this high, so this will become a liquidity level now. If we start breaking back above this level again, potential more longs here on gold, because the trade is to come up into here, which is still very much valid. Still got plenty more room to come up here. Plenty more. Plenty more. Yeah, I do just want to see. I want to see us get back above this level. I'm not looking to give anything back too quick, but I'm also not against taking another position, because I still believe you're going to see gold spike up higher. You could almost take the exact same setup of this play and just take another 20 ticks out of the markets if we get it. You know, you got another 20 there.
It doesn't close below 21.65, then why not?
Absolutely. Yeah, we're only like 5 minutes into London Open here. You know, we've just taken a very nice trade with like a what was our stop loss on that trade? Stop loss below the 5 low, like 6 ticks. Looks like you're gonna get a nice 5 close here again. We've just grabbed this little 5 minute little double bottom, reject support once, retest it, liquidity grab. You ever see anything like that on gold? 2 equal lows like that, regardless if it's the 30, the 5, or the hourly. You look to short into that. And as soon as you do grab them, close back above. Amazing. You're going to get an instant bottom wick here again. Let's see. Not on the futures now. Instant top wick on the futures. Instant top wick on the futures, instant bottom wick on the currency. Futures doesn't have a bottom wick just yet. Ideally, you don't want to break previous 5 highs. If you don't break these 5 highs and come down, you may have another buy here on gold. If it just pushes from here, so be it. Yeah, it might just push from here. But yeah, gold to tap into like 170 on the futures looks like a pretty decent area. You got two equal highs here now as well. Yeah, 170, 171 looks like a pretty nice area. 7.5, yeah. Looks pretty good to me.
Nice leverage moving up, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's just have a look at this 30. Let me just see. You've rejected, grab the lows, held above. Rejected, grab the highs, held below. Yeah, if this 5 gave a bottom wick, I'd be in this, but if it just grabs the highs from here, that's fine. I would imagine a lot of people are probably trying to do something like this right now. Expect a lot of people probably try and short here, put their stop loss just above that high. So that's why you'd be looking to buy it up into that. Retail trap. When's the new start? Tuesday? What do you have on Tuesday? Yeah, consumer confidence on Tuesday. You got FOMC again on Wednesday. Not till 10 p.m. London time. That's crazy. 10 p.m. London time.
Hope it's not quite yet though.
Yeah, I know. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And you got, yeah, pretty much. Well, you don't have a US bank holiday on Friday, so Friday may actually still be a good day. You actually have the Fed speaking on Friday, so Friday could still actually be a good day.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I think you'd be alright. It'll only be next week. Next week, yeah, next. What the fuck? Does the US not have bank holidays or something? There's no US bank holidays on Monday either. US just doesn't get bank holidays. What the fuck? Everywhere has a bank holiday but the US.
Go on, Biden.
Look, NZD, AUD, Euro, UK, Canada, no US, Europe, UK, New Zealand, Australia, Europe, UK, no. Well, I guess the US don't get holidays, unfortunately. Are we going to see a? If we see a bottom wick on this next 5, grab the lows and then re-break the high, that will be the next opportunity here for us. I'm off, lads. Enjoy. See you, Ross. Enjoy, man. See you next time, man. Best paper trading futures. Been back testing the 5. I would probably use Tradeovate here. Probably the simplest platform to use. Easiest futures platform to get used to. And if you even want to, you can log into Tradeovate through TradingView. But Tradeovate is really simple to use. You know, you just press your buttons. You put in your orders, change contract size, close everything. Retail's getting squeezed out here on gold. I would have loved to have been in these buys again, but it's okay. We can't catch them all. This is what I expected here. I didn't expect that many opportunities at a bottom wick, which was actually amazing. So you can see retail's getting squeezed out here.
This is good though.
Yeah, 2 weeks from work. Yeah, it's crazy, Matt. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, is it? Yeah, maybe a half day. Yeah, maybe a half day on Friday. There you go. Retails have just been squeezed out there. They were the buys that I would have loved to have been in. Retails go short there, put their stop loss just above that high, and retails have just been stopped out there. I would have loved to have been in that buy. I just needed more of a bottom wick on this 5 to be able to get it like this. We just needed another test of this level, and we would have had another 20 ticks there, but it's okay. We can't take everything on a Monday morning. But that's a nice little retail trap there. Yeah, it may be a half day. I know futures do. Well, stock market might be closed, and then Good Friday maybe a half day. Yeah, if it is Good Friday, then holiday schedule. Yeah. Oh, is it fully closed? Fierce futures.
Give them a ring.
Yeah, I'll give the boys a call. Oh, maybe it's fully closed.
Tinkle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, close for top. Yeah, so I think it's like half day. Yeah. Oh, Express account, you have to close half an hour early. I didn't know that. Yeah, Good Friday. Markets are closed. Oh, market off. So, all right. Well, that's so Friday's fully closed. Oh, there you go. Friday top step fully closed. Okay, good to know. Thank you, Kyle. I would have missed that, man. Yeah, closed all Friday. Yeah. Another 10 tick move. Yeah, another 10 tick move. I know. Could have scalped another 10 just on the break of this high here. Could have scalped another 10 there. Break of that high. That's where every retail goes short. And then, boom, yeah, you got another 15. Amazing. Top step 2 for saying all day. Yeah, nice. Yeah, cool. Thank you, man. So, how's this hourly looking? So, hourly is re-grabbing previous hourly highs. Look how strong this level is here. It's a strong level. This is the same level that was respected in Asia as well. And gave like a, what? This level gave a 100 tick bounce in Asia. Gave a 40 tick wick there. It's currently given London a 40 tick bounce as well. So, yeah, these hourly highs up here do interest me on gold. These ones here. The fact that you never re-grabbed these highs before this push down, I would be watching gold to still tap into here before any shorts later on. Thing is, if you start coming back up into there, remember, the reason I didn't take these sells in Asia from up here is because you had this third touch of this trend line and didn't really grab anything. So the reason I didn't take many sells, because I still believe a lot of people are probably going to be in this. A lot of people try and sell third touch of a trend line, put their stop loss just above the second touch. So delete the trend line, mark on the second touch, and that becomes your liquidity level. That's where I think most people will really be selling here today on gold. If they're not scalping it like us, they'll have stops above this high.
These starts closing above 21.70 in futures. I'm going to start looking for longs.
Yeah, I think so, man. We've already got our 20 ticks, but yeah, if I want to get another trade, I think we wait for a breakout of this.
Okay.
Either side, I don't care. Break out of that one, which one? So your long targets are also your short point of interest, so you see a reaction there? Yeah, exactly, yeah. I'm buying up into where I think price could tap into before doing something else. Like if I think price can come up here and then go short, I'll buy up into that as opposed to waiting for it to get up there and trying to force the short. That's what I said on my video yesterday, actually. If you haven't watched it, highly recommend it. But yeah, when I first started trading, I would draw on these levels and I'd wait for price to get up into here and then try and short, and I'll probably just get stopped out or just waste time. Whereas for now, it's like, if I can see a third touch of a trend line and I got a liquidity point up here, rather than just waiting for price to get up there and then expecting something to happen above here, buy up into it. And then if I do get the sells, amazing. Close the buyers, take the sells. But if we grab these highs and just keep pushing higher, not only have I just wasted time, but I've also not made money. So I like to be exposed to the fact that anything in the markets can happen. And that's pretty much what this buy was today. Buying up into price, re-grabbing these highs before a potential push lower. Rather than just waiting and sitting here doing nothing, waiting for something to happen. If you think price is going to push up like 100 ticks before having a big drop, well, take advantage of that. Expose yourself to as much as you can. That's the real key here. Yeah, reacting up. Yeah, exactly, man. Reacting, not predicting. Exactly. I wouldn't mention any names, but I was in communities early on in my journey where they would spend literally days just forecasting and drawing fucking squiggly lines, and I would waste days to, if not a week, for price to get into a level, for it then to not even do what I had drawn out. And it took me a long time to realize, what the fuck am I doing? If I think price is going to push up 100 plus ticks, take advantage of that. And that's what's so important. Do you show your trades? Yeah, we just took a trade here, man. Yep, we just took a trade here on stream, live, everything. We took the we took where is it? You can go back and have a look. We just took these buys here, man. Yep. There. I got 10. Nice, Shane. Nice. Your YouTube video was good. Thank you. Glad you enjoyed it. Good night all. See you, Brian. Enjoy, man. See you next time, man. Yeah, there is, yeah. But yeah, this will, for anyone who has just joined the stream, go back to, scroll back on this YouTube video and go to like 7:35 time. Or even before that, like 7:20 after this, you can read back, watch breaking this whole trade down and executing the trade. And taking it here. Yeah, we took this little scalp. I wanted to play it much higher, but yeah. What do you think about using pivot points? Yeah, it has a use, definitely, man. I don't use it personally. Too messy for me, but it's a useful tool for sure. I used to use it, look at it when I very first started, but it just became too messy for me. I just would rely on them too much. So I don't use them personally, but they can be useful, definitely. I don't use anything personally. 100%, man. Give a look at NQ, yeah, sure. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. NQ. Daily. Let's have a look here. We just see how this week closed. The week closed strong, which is nice. Week closed very strong. Remember, you're coming close to monthly closes on a lot of these. Look at that. Just straight bullish run since November on Nasdaq. Look at that. That's crazy. Break above, bottom wick, push. What an amazing run. If I had to say on Nasdaq right now, well, the weekly's bullish. Daily's incredibly doji. You have just grabbed some of the highs respecting this resistance. It's pretty choppy. I wouldn't really like to say too much on this, but as long as, and you have to go check, as long as the S&P didn't re-grab these lows before this push, I would be watching this area. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, completely different. Yeah, it looks like S&P's already grabbed it. So yeah, I'd be looking for just Nasdaq to probably continue pushing higher. I'd wait for it to break out. You know, it's a very choppy range in here. Although this is a 4 hour, you can still take trades in between that, but it's a very messy area in here. I'd be very careful trading Nasdaq in here. Everyone's like, why do you trade gold? Look at this. Who's laughing now? This is a strong level. You may break from here and start grabbing these lows here, potential. But yeah, I'd wait for Nasdaq to break out and keep going long. I think it's honestly, it's very messy. I personally wouldn't be looking to trade it until you get a bit more direction than this. But yeah, I would assume to keep pushing up. Makes sense. This is a pretty strong level here though, so I'll wait for a breakout above that. If not, take intraday sells reacting to this level first before pushing up later on. Use them to teach other instruments. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, people trade Nasdaq, S&P. We traded them on stream before. Absolutely. Gold loves the levels more. Just I just love the way gold moves. But yeah, if you want to trade other things, yeah, you definitely can. Yeah. Spent a lot of time looking at charts when you first started. Yeah. 100%, man. Yeah. 12 to 14. Well, like spending time actively looking at live charts isn't productive because for most of the time you could just be watching price do nothing. But use your time to trade and also use your time to do simulation sessions. But actually sat here watching charts go sideways all day is not going to be beneficial. Chart time is important, but watching it at like key times, absolutely. But if you're just watching live markets for 12 hours a day, nah, I'd say you're just going to burn yourself out. It's kind of pointless. Simulation sessions, absolutely. Other than that, nah. I did that. I was glued to the charts and actually just watching charts go sideways. And yeah, it is not productive in the slightest. It's good to get in that chart time, but not in live markets in a session. It's not really moving. Like if you see gold, you know, in this range and you don't want to take a trade in this range, go do a simulation session for an hour. Absolutely. Much more valuable. Do you see value in using the DXY? Nah, I never look at the DXY. Nah. I used to look at the DXY, now I just think it's a waste of time. Doesn't tell me anything different I can't already see in gold. Look at the DAX. Yeah, I'll have a look at the DAX, man. Yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the DAX. FX replay for simulations. Got, oh, does it? FX replay has futures? I did not know that. I had used soft for FX. I don't do it much anymore. What is it? What's it called? FX. What's this?
People trade that, don't they, the DAX?
Yeah, people trade the DAX, yeah.
I've never looked at it really.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can. Nice. Have a look at the DAX. The DAX. Same as Nasdaq. Very, 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 very bullish. Very, very bullish. I wouldn't like to be calling any tops here. That's for sure. I'd keep following the bulls because they're clearly very in control until at least to grab Friday's high as well. So I'll be looking at price to come back up into there. I mean, it's at a pretty decent level right now. Actually, you're grabbing these lows. 4-hour closes in what? 37 minutes. If you close back above around here, I'd be looking for DAX longs up into the highs. Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. If you don't close back above there, could you short it? Yeah, you could, but it's kind of risky because it's so bullish. I'd be watching that area as a kind of little range for now. You can see you got the strong resistance break above, straight back below, resistance broke above. If you close above, yeah, longs up into these highs. If you don't close above, probably just continue to dick around in this range. I wouldn't take the shorts personally, but if you close back above, longs absolutely, especially with that 4-hour close as well. Gold trying to push back down here after grabbing the highs. But yeah. Do you trade with news? Yeah, I trade news. Yep, trade news on last week. FOMC caught an amazing move. Amazing move. Yep. Set time. Yeah, Nasdaq. Yeah, true. Yeah, volume. Yeah, volume in New York. Yeah, definitely. Trade sale has nice backtesting platform. Nice. Sorry, man.
Decent volume this morning.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, amazing volume this morning.
Nice. Well, this could happen every London session.
Be fucking fantastic.
Yeah. Yes, please.
That's the thing. We haven't actually really done anything today, but because these 5-minute ranges are so decent, you know, it's like breaking highs like 15. It's like that's great. Even though we look back, we got in and out at the perfect time because you've actually just done nothing. We got in here and we got out here, and since then, we've done sweet FA, which is great. Good for us.
Yeah. It is.
Took our 19 ticks. Backtesting worth it? Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
It'd be interesting to see on the 30-minute if it creates a morning star when the new candle opens.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, you're grabbing the previous highs. Yeah, if you start to close back below, boom. How long you got? 5 minutes. Yeah. Backtesting worth it? Nah. Backtesting on trading view is not worth it. I don't really like it. I don't think it's actually useful. But simulation sessions where you can actually take trades, take partials in real previous markets, 100%. I used to spend like, I don't know, maybe like 1 to 2 hours almost every single weekend doing like a simulation or backtesting session. Very valuable. Very, very valuable. But results that you get in backtesting and simulation, don't expect to get that in live markets though. But it's still, it gives you a lot of chart time, and it helps you see the same things happen over and over again. So that when you come live, you can actually spot them before they happen. You're going to start to bounce off a trend line here, which means you're probably going to look to break it soon as well. By the time most retailers probably spot this trend line, it's probably too late. So you may see it start to break this soon. If that was a true liquidity grab here, you wouldn't need to break it, but once you do break it, you can sell below it. You got another 8 down as well. Oh, stop loss was like fucking crazy on it. Like 6 ticks here. Once it flips, 6 ticks. Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice. So we would have managed at 6 ticks. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, anyone who didn't catch it, be sure to go back and watch it. We broke it all down as well. I've recapped it all. Maybe I'll make it into a little YouTube video, who knows? Who knows? Yeah, that's two trades today. 2 trades, 2 W's, 40 pips.
Yeah.
Again, it's another one that I didn't get to get on the FTMO account, which is annoying. I keep taking some trades and then some not on it. It's annoying. Went and got wrecked. Yeah. Don't. If you're new to trading, don't trade news. Never trade news. If you understand liquidity and levels, don't trade news. Proper way to do backtesting is just simulation sessions. Simulation sessions is your best bet. Getting a simulation software and doing it through that is the best way to do it.
I think I've done with it.
Yeah, I pretty much are, man. Yeah, not far off. I just don't want to.
Sent you,
Wait, it's 30 close.
sorry.
That's what I meant.
I sent you clubs. Maybe I'm going to with those.
Nice.
Oz, which is cheap and they'll be good.
Yeah, nice, man. I'll check it out. Do you trade all sessions? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I mean, I don't sit here like this actively watching all sessions for like fucking 10 hours straight, but yeah, I pretty much always have an eye on the market, yeah. If I'm not trading here, like watching the 5 minute like this, like in the evening when I'm watching US session, if we're not on the Zoom, yeah, I'll watch like the 15 and the 30. The trade I took today in Asia was off the 15. I like to trade London off the 5, and then anything out of that, like 30 and 15 pretty much, yeah. It's kind of my sweet spot. But if I get a trade in, like today I have a trade in Asia and I have a trade in London, so I don't even be watching the US session tonight. I don't care about the US session tonight. I've had 2 good trades today, so it all depends. If I don't get a trade in London, then I'll maybe sit here and watch US a little bit more. But if I get a trade in Asia and London like today, yeah, I don't even watch it personally. Or I'll still watch it, I'm always watching it, but very briefly in the background. I don't think I ever not have an eye on the markets during the week unless I'm asleep. I'm always checking like the hourly close or 4 hourly close. Not because I have to, I just like to. All good, man. Enjoy.
Sorry, I can't make the US
Oh,
stuff tonight.
shit. That's alright, man. No worries.
I'll be on tomorrow for sure.
What have I just done? Sweet, man.
Right. Have a good day.
See you, man.
Bye.
Bye. What have I just done here? Why have I just made this bigger? There we go. Oh, I just did that. Have I tried Pip Labs before? No, I haven't. No. Kind of setup are you waiting for now? Nothing right now, really. I'm waiting to see if that 30 can break below this level to go short. I just want to see a breakout of this little range here. We've already had our little scalp here. Around this trend line is where most retail traders will be looking for some longs. So you got a potential bounce of that. Most retail traders right now will try and do something like this. They'll try buy off this trend line, put their stop loss just below. So you may have a trade into that soon if you don't just instantly grab it. 30 just closed. Let's have a look how that 30 just closed. Re-grab in the highs with the nice little 30 equal lows now. So if you get more of a top wick, yeah, you could have some 30 sells here. Probably the next thing I see. You got retailers buying off that trend line right now. If you start to grab some 5 highs, yeah, you could have some sells. You definitely could. It's a tight range. It's a very tight range. But yeah, you could have some sells. I wouldn't be buying gold right now. We've had our little buy. You've grabbed the highs again, failed to close above this resistance for the second time, and you may start to break lower. If you re-break, if you break out of this support, you're going to see gold have a decent drive back down into here. That's the kind of main play that I'm looking for today. No copy trader we can use for including different exchanges. On futures, If you want to copy trade on futures across different brokers, then you can use Quant Tower. But if you want to copy trade like FX to futures, no, that's impossible, as far as I'm aware. Are you looking at taking long? Nah, I've taken my longs today. We took the longs here at 7:35. I'm looking for shorts. Longs will be a retail trap here. I was bashing some Call of Duty on the weekend for the first time in a long time. Might have to sweat that out if London continues to range. That's pretty fun. Yeah, futures. Yeah, you can copy trade here. You can set up group trade in Tradeovate. I made a video on how to do that. Yeah, you can copy futures across multiple accounts. The good thing about that is you can actually do it within the brokers as well. So you don't have to worry about any lag. It's all done through the broker. So if you take a look here, this 5 minutes just grabbed the previous, but if you take a look at the futures, it actually didn't. And that's the reason. Everyone's probably wondering, why am I analyzing the spot chart, not futures? It's for that exact reason. How much is Sammy yawning through the microphone? Sammy yawning through the microphone. So if you can see this flip, if you can see this current 5 re-break the low and start to push back down, you may have some sells. Come here, buddy. Come here. Wait, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Whoa, wait there. Whoa. Ah. Is that what you think about gold? We might have some sells here in a second, Sammy. What do you reckon? You like gold today or not? Yeah, you got nothing to say. Alright, this 5 might flip. You have to go, buddy. Sorry. Goodbye. Whoa. Ow. You can stay there. Looking to short. I'm looking to short if this 5 can flip bearish, because I would imagine a lot of people are probably trying to buy this trend line right now. Yeah, consolidation. Yeah, Corey, it's a good shout, man. It's pretty much in this little range. So it's what you do have to be careful of. But yeah, I would be looking to short if this current 5 can re-break its low and push down, because this is also the low of the current 30. So you take a look at the 30 here on gold. You've rejected once, you've re-grabbed the 30 high and rejected the support. So if this current 30 can re-flip back bearish, you got a potential decent sell. But if you don't flip back bearish, then you just cancel the order. I won't put it in until we start to get some 5-minute rejections. But yeah, this is based off this 30 closing with a pretty decent wick. Nice dog, thank you. Sammy gives good gold signals as well. Sammy didn't get the longs like us today, though. Did you? 3 trades in one day, that's quite crazy. But I don't really have an issue taking like 3 trades in one day. That's the thing, like a lot of people have strict rules of how many trades they're allowed to take a day. But for me, it's like as long as I still feel in the zone, I have no issue taking more than 2-3 trades. I don't like to take more than 3, but like, you know, as long as you still feel like you're fresh and you can execute well, you're not getting too trigger happy. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong taking a couple of trades a day. Sammy signals are fire.
If the setup is there, it's there, isn't it?
100%, man. 100%. As long as you're following the plan. The setup's there. The setup's there. 100%. Getting a decent short enough now. Let's see something. Yeah, you can. The only thing that kind of would have put me off that trade is where are we? The only thing that would have put me off that trade is that support. I personally would have just wanted to see just a closure below that, because that 5, if I change it to this, so I was watching this area. this 5 here actually grabbed the previous low and rejected. So I would have been seeing if this 5 would re-break its high and push. If I had a sell in this situation, my sell would be if you re-break this low here. Because you re-break that low, if that's a true liquidity grab, you're going to push higher. But if you re-break that low, you'll push down. So the only place I would have had a sell in here is, yeah, below that one, man. I think that's probably the best one, man. Yeah, just to be safe.
Yeah.
Can't see the charts. Yeah, I was just drawing it up on Zoom. Yeah, unfortunately, you guys can't see Zoom. It's just I don't know why I can only share it here. I'm not in this yet though. I hope it doesn't. It's kind of the same situation right now. If this was a true liquidity grab, you break it, you may push down. I didn't put this in. I wasn't watching this, but yeah. I don't know how I can share Zoom here, but yeah, so I'm share Zoom. You're in, nice, so nice, yeah. But you just grabbed the high, so you'd be in this. So how you look at the S&P and NAS, anyone chart grab if you didn't push, yeah. Sort some of the GC and gold. No, not really. Oh fuck! I should have taken that out. I didn't see that. But that's what I'm talking about. If that's a true liquidity low to push up, you re-break it, you're gonna have a nice drive. I didn't get that. Simon knows me for that one.
So why did you want to have taken that position? Because the double bottom on the 5 and then the break of it.
Yeah, just the 30, just throwing them huge rejections, grabbing previous 30 highs and and 2 little 30 equal lows. Yeah. Go on, but yeah, nice, Sean. Yeah, good shout, man. Good shout. Probably do the same.
I'm at break even.
Nice. You guys got it. Good job. Anyone else get it? I personally didn't. You guys did get it. Good job. I think you could have a much. I think this could give me a much recent one. What's that, sorry, man?
What would be your entry reason apart from the half an hour just to took out those 2 lows?
Yeah, just grabbed 5 highs. And retesting pretty much, yeah, just that, yeah, grabbing the highs. Little intraday liquidity grab there, and a decent downside target as well. Taking the break of the lows. Yeah, I'd take the break of, I'd have my order in below this low here, because this is the low that grabbed the previous. So you shouldn't need to break it if you're going to push up. But if you do break it, then you're going to also push down. Isn't that also nice? What are you hitting there? You're hitting like, what? Another 12 ticks. The downside target on this one is much nicer. So if I was in this, I would be holding this much more. To at least down to here. And this is where, like I said, as well, this was that trend line. This is where all retailers buy this trend line here, put their stop loss just down below that low. So anyone who was buying that trend line has also just been stopped out. Like, I wish I was in this one. All right, give me 2 secs, guys. I'm in shorts on oil. Nice. Break even. Nice. In it also. Nice, Nick. Good job. Fuck, I wasn't quick enough there. Yeah, if you are in this, yeah, stops to break even. Stops to break even on this one. But yeah, when you do get tagged, your sell stop would be here. Your stop loss is above this 5-minute high. Because the same to the lows. If you re-break that high, you're going to push higher. So you don't need stops like all the way up here, something stupid. Stop loss just above that previous 5 high. Because if that's a true 5-minute liquidity grab, you shouldn't need to break it. But if you do break it, you're going to push much higher. So you don't want to go sit in drawdown for no reason. Keep your losses small. 9 tick stop loss. What are you just hitting there off that support? What are you hitting? Like a what? 1 to 1.5 almost. Just re-grabbing the lows there. 15 is about to close. Last 5 of the 15. Yeah, I think you'll see this drive nicely. I think you can see this push nicely on gold here. If this 15 doesn't break, it may give me another chance. When do you take intraday liquidity grab and when do you wait for the high time frame? It's all the exact same. The 5-minute liquidity grab is just for the entry of the overall direction. So you have a 30-minute liquidity grab and a 5-minute entry. It's both. It's all part of it. This is the 30-minute liquidity grab previous highs. This is the 5-minute liquidity grab entry. So it's all together. If you yeah, appreciate it, King Arthur. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. If this 5 closes bearish, you guys could probably just trail. Put your stop above there, lock in like 6, but you ideally want to see this run much lower. Fuck, I'm going to be annoyed if this pushes. We are looking to target here, like 25. That's where you probably take a little bit. You actually want to see this come much lower. This is that 5 flip now. Sorry, 30. So you go. Rejection, re-grab the highs, retest. Nice push down. Exactly what we did here to the highs. Exactly here. Sorry, exactly what we did here to the lows. Exactly the same as the highs. The retest, the liquidity grab, the entry. Simple as that. Every single trade has followed that exact plan today. Oh, there you go. That lovely push. You guys who are in this, keep holding this. As soon as gold breaks this level, you're going to have much more downside here. I would probably take off 50% once you come down here, but you're going to hold this much more. Much more. You guys who sniped this, well done. That's an amazing play. Take a look at this hourly now on gold as well. Hourly, re-grab the high. As soon as you break this hourly low, you got a lot of downside here. A lot of downside. Like, you know, and it could actually fill it in quite quick as well. You could have runners of like a 1 to 10. You got that nice of an entry. You could have some big runners there. Why does it do that? There. Even from there. What a day. What a day on gold. Look at that. That's what gold's like. When gold has volume. Fucking amazing. Fucking so much to be taken today on gold. What are you guys hitting? You guys are hitting... yeah, you're already hitting 20 ticks on that. That's amazing. You guys want to close 50% there. Close 50, put stop loss just above previous 5 high. Lock in some as well. You got amazing levels there. This 15 is going to close here in 8 seconds as well. 15 top wick. Continue pushing down. Yeah, 15 is breaking out of that little range as well, which is perfect. Is what you want to see. Lovely 15 close there. Very nice 15 close. What did you hit? You hit what? Yeah, it hit like 20. Yeah, close. Yeah, 50% at least. At least. What a day on gold, wow, what a day. It's only Monday morning. Everyone complains about Mondays. Not here. What do you have on the break of this 5 low? You got what? Yeah, 7 on that on the flip of this current 15 as well. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, look at that 30, man. That 30 was so clean. $15's about to flip there, I think. You guys who are in these cells from that entry, are you guys still in?
No, I trailed too aggressively. I got stopped out.
Did it
But
just
still,
get you? Yeah.
I got about 18.
18. It's amazing, man. Fucking take it. That's amazing, man.
It's been a great day.
Yeah, that's fantastic, man. Fantastic. Close one, still holding one. Nice, yeah. 2 runners, yeah. Nice, yeah. Good job. Good job. You guys are still in. Nice. Yeah, very nice.
Got about 40 ticks today, I think.
40 ticks. That's amazing, man. Amazing.
It's since I realised how important the 30 is.
Mm.
And also you can use the hourly for extra confluence.
Yeah.
But that 30, I was looking back over the weekend, back at moves that were good and moves that weren't good.
Yep.
Because often we look for a move that was good, but we don't look for the same setup that didn't work.
Yeah, it's true, man.
I was looking at both, and more often than not, once the 30 is licked out 1 or 2 lows or highs,
Yeah.
it tends to then reverse.
Yeah, 100%, man.
Give you some good tips.
Yeah, the 30, yeah. Sean both trades are based on 30. Yeah, no, yeah. 30, yeah, 30 is so clean on gold, man. 30 can be so nice. It's like even my buys here on gold, even, you know, these shorts, it's all based off the 30, just actually executing off the 5. It's so clean.
Yeah. Because look what happened just now. We got 130 going one way, and then the other 30 going back down.
Yeah, exactly. It's solid, man. Are you gonna break this level, gold? Look at that 5. Close 2, still have 3. Yeah, nice. Nice, Nick. Nice, nice. I'd like to jump in it as well, but I can't jump in it here. Happy trading, thanks, Aaron. Yeah, enjoy. See you tomorrow. Enjoy. You go break even. What did you hit? 21. Yeah, nice. I didn't think if you're gonna break this, you're actually gonna see this drive much lower, but clearly not. Clearly, you're still holding this level very, very well. Very well. I do think you'll break it at some point today, but it looks like it's just going to hold very, very well for now. So no time to win, lose, and learn. Absolutely. Yeah, nice, Bradley. Nice, man. Nice. Good work, man. Trade it with, like, you know, oh, this 5. So you just grabbed previous 5 highs here. So if you do start to break the low, then I will look for some sells here on gold. Because like I say, this has much more downside. You've just re-grabbed 5 highs like you did here. So if you start breaking these lows again, you got like another, still, yeah, another 20 to the downside. What time is it? 10 to... Let's see. Yeah, this will be the flip of the 15 as well. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, if this can re-break these lows here, I'm gonna sell this back down into these areas. Here. Yeah, 20 here. Any of you guys who do have runners, lock in runner above that current high. Oh, he may have even got you there, to be honest. You may have even got your runners there. Probably did get your runners there, actually. Yeah, 5, yeah. Partials at 20. If you tread above that high, yeah, runners like 45. I want to see this 5 re-break this level, break this low, and see if we can push down. It's the only way I'll take another trade. I'm not trying to force another trade, but yeah, I will take another one if we can do that. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. There's been a lot of value on today's stream. You've had like 2 very good trades here. Very, very good trades here. Both trades, what was the stop loss of this? Both trades have almost been, what, like sub 20 ticks? What was this one? Stop loss above that high? Yeah, but both trades have been sub 10 tick stop losses. You find me someone else on YouTube who's giving you trades like that. But BE on this one. BE. We'll wait for this hourly to close. Looking like a nice evening start. What would the break of the low be on the futures? Yeah, so on the futures, you're looking at around 64.8 as a potential entry. Re-break that low and see if you can have that nice drive. A good start to the week. Thanks to you. Nice. Wait for a 1 hour to close. I'll wait, then break low. Yeah, I think that'll probably make the most sense. Wait for the hourly to clear this level, top wick, and then break. Pretty much as soon as you break this low here, you're gonna be good. This low here, you break this low, you're gonna see some decent downside. Back down to like easily back down into here. Fulfill this range pretty quickly. The only reason I'm not jumping in it just now is because that 5 did just close it back above my level. It closed back below and sure. But with the plays we've had today, I think that maybe the session. Fuck, if I'd had that short as well, I'd have had like 3 back-to-back wins today. Crazy. Oh, look at this last 5 out of 15 there on gold. Oh, sorry, last 7 minutes of this hourly. Give us a nice close though, don't close like this. I want to close, break that, push down. 30 seconds here on Goldie, 30 seconds. Look at 15. That 15's looking clean. Grabbed all of the highs. Broke all of this level. Very nice. You guys on Zoom, I will post this recording up later today as well. Probably worth one to actually go back and watch. Had that 5 close, the 5 break out? No, not really. Kind of. I think it'd be best to, if I'm going to get entry, wait for the hourly close top wick. So you broke back below here, but you also respecting this here. Here and here. We'll just wait for this hourly. We'll wait for this hourly to close, and then we'll plan out some levels for the US session. Not that I'll be trading it today, but it'll be good to plan out some levels. And are you guys still holding this little short? I reckon most of you guys probably got out. I'm intrigued to see if anyone did. What if this 5 flips? What would you have there? Yeah, 20. Just got taken out trading stop. Yeah, nice. Nick's still getting 2. Nice. What Where did you get your short from, Nick? On the futures, where you in from, man? Like what, around like what, 67 ish? Yeah, 2167. Yeah, nice. Yeah, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Great entry, man. Great entry. Very nice entry. Do a 3-set roll. Yeah, you got 3-set rolls, man. Yeah, liquidity grab, breakout here. Targets. There's the liquidity grab. There's the breakout here. This one. Re-break that low. Boom. Stop at that 5. Yeah, yeah, above this one. Above that one, yeah, it's more than a lock in, cover some fees. It's only like 4 ticks, but yeah, it will cover the fees. It's unlike you're gonna take that and not actually, you know, it wouldn't take out that and not just get you a break even anyway. So you may as well be greedy with it. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. What a session! What a start to the week! What a beautiful start to the week. Goldie does not want to break that support, does it? Look at this on the hourly. Look at that. It's such a. It is such a. I think it's 4-hour support as well. You're grabbing 4-hour lows as well. Where's it now? 4-hour support's a little bit low actually. Yeah, it's a very, very strong level. Very strong level. So it'll be interesting to see if this hourly closes either respecting it or breaking it. There you go, your runners. Your runners would have got out just there. You would have got your runners out there, man. Look at that. Solid level. That's where you take partials. Take partials at 20 ticks at that level. Your runners will get out there at break even. Great trade. Great, great trade. I didn't take it like that. Let's see. We got 1 more minute here. 1 more minute. We'll get this hourly close. And then we'll come back again tomorrow. And do it all over again. Is the daily flipped bearish on gold? Daily's still not flipped bearish on gold. It's crazy. Runner's taken. Yeah, good shout, Nick. Yeah. Fully out, man. You've even got the flip of the daily here as well on gold. As soon as that daily flips bearish, you know, even into Friday's low, you still have 60 ticks as well. You could even just wait for that. Wait for it to break the low. That's probably where my alert's going to be, actually. If this daily re-breaks this low and starts to flip bearish, that's probably going to be my next sell. 1 minute. Let's see. Hourly. Yeah, hourly's just going to close doji here. Oh, that's that low there, yeah. So my alert, I'm going to set an alert here. If you re-break this hourly low, this is also the current low of the daily. You re-break that, you're going to see gold have a decent drive back down into here. So for me here now, that's my London session done. I'm going to leave my alert there. Once that alert goes off, you guys in Discord will look for some sells below there and look to play it all the way back down into Friday's low down there. You know, you may start to pull up first as well, because remember you haven't really grabbed much of this either. So you may need to come and grab some of that first. But that's fine. I'll just leave my alert here. Actually, I'll leave my alert here. I'll take a potential early short around there. I know they may come and grab that now. I'm only going to take shorts if you re-break this current daily low. So, Zoom guys, that's it for the day. 2 great trades, an amazing session. I'll upload this Zoom call, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, Zoom guys.
Yeah.
See you guys. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm out. Amazing day. 2 W's today. If you guys did take it, amazing, good job. If you guys didn't get the shorts today or you didn't get the buys, don't worry. Same again tomorrow. Same again every single day this week. And be sure to watch the video I posted yesterday because it's very, very valuable. I'll be live here every single day this week, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. Trade safe for the rest of the day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.